How to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome, Windows and Mac. In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to restore your closed tabs in Google Chrome. If your browser or computer unexpectedly shuts down because of a power outage, Windows update, low battery, or you accidentally close Chrome, don't worry, you can quickly recover your tabs. Method 1. Use the keyboard shortcut. First, open Google Chrome. If you have multiple Chrome profiles, select the profile you are using. Once Chrome opens, press Ctrl Shift T on your keyboard if you're using Windows. If you're using a Mac, press Command Shift T. Your recently closed tabs or browsing session will be restored automatically. Method 2. Restore tabs from Chrome history. If the keyboard shortcut doesn't work, open Google Chrome. Click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Hover over History. Under Recently Closed, select the window or group of tabs you want to restore. Chrome will reopen all the tabs from your previous browsing session. And that's it. You've successfully restored your closed tabs in Google Chrome using 2 simple methods. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful Google Chrome tips and tutorials.